Well, it's Friday, about 12:30. Been busy this morning, and I've come out to the garage. The Mikuni's still apart. I'll put it together as part of the disassembly, so no additional charge. This is the new needle. This is the old one, and that'll be put in. And so that'll be back together in just a couple minutes. My machinist came by. Here's the adapter for the side stand for the black Norton. It seems to be, it's gorgeous. If there's any tweaking to be made, I'll be able to do it. But it is a work of art. It is far and beyond what I envisioned. I thought, take a piece of steel and bend it and drill a couple holes in it, and well, it turned out to be more complicated than that. So anyway, that's here. I'll get that Norton back in the shop and do a fitting on it. He brought back the head for this 650 engine here. So this guy's sitting here waiting. And here's the head with all new valve guides and valves cut and seated. And so we can put the head back on this TR6 engine. So Kevin and I have stuff to do. Kind of neat. So I'm going to put this back together, and we'll pick it up afterwards. Okay, it's not quite 2:30. I've been working on this carburetor since I did the last video. It's remounted back together. The throttle is remounted. It was had a terrible burr bent spot inside the throttle. I had to spend a lot of time getting that out because it was hanging up. So it's now it's it was hanging up right inside here. I had to take it all apart and file the heck out of the inside, then use a brake hone to smooth it out. But we got good snap now. Now it sounds great, and I'll show you the action inside the throat if you can get in here and see it. Okay, but that slide is too high. It should be lower. And the problem is that this cable is too short. The cable by itself with the adjuster all the way closed and the adjustment down here all the way closed, there's no slack. It should be about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch slack in the throttle cable, so that movement of the cable and temperature causing it to expand don't affect the throttle opening. So I'm going to take this apart tomorrow, and I will lengthen this cable by shortening the outer cable. That'll lengthen the inner cable by about 1/2 an inch. Then I'll take up a little bit of slack here, and that'll give me a good snap like we have now, but will give me a little bit of slack in the cable so that it'll be able to hold a throttle setting and not be too fast when you start it. Right now, if we were to start this bike like it's set, it would just go wow and just run away because the throttle's partially open, and that's never a good thing. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be back on this guy maybe, and I'll shorten the outer cable in order to lengthen the inner cable on this throttle assembly. Well, I'm still here. It's a little after 3 o'clock, and I'm bored. Just got home from picking up shirts at the dry cleaner, so I think I'm going to go ahead and shorten this outer cable maybe 1/2 an inch and see if that doesn't solve the lack of slack problem. Okay, it's 10 after 4 up there by the wall on the clock, and down here we have ourselves a Norton, and you'll notice right here by the throttle, let me change hands, we have about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch play here, which is what you need to make sure that the throttle isn't accidentally pulling the slide. And I was able to shorten the outer cable in order to lengthen the inner cable. Now I'm using a little bit of the adjuster right here to set that gap. And if you look inside the carbonizer, you'll see that the slide is a whole lot farther down. It's now all the way down on the bottom, all of the adjustment is out, so there's no idle adjustment in there at all. And if you remember what it looked like before, you'll see this is much lower. Good snap. Great snap. Beautiful snap. Yep, that's what you want. Nice snap. With a little bit of slack up here so that the throttle is not pulling the cable. So at this point in time, I've got the carburetor all set up. I have the throttle all set up, and I'm going to call that part of this project complete for a while, and see what else I do. It's 4 o'clock. I'm not sure I'll do anything more today or not. Anyway, that's all for the moment.